Hey everyone, it's MK. Welcome back to MK Quilts. So today we're going to bring you along as Paul outfits my Simply on a Little Foot frame with the new attachment that just came out from Handi Quilter, and it's called the Little Buddy. So basically what this is going to do for me and for maybe for some of you is it's going to allow you to have a stand-up long arm on a frame that fits in a small space, but it's also going to allow you the ability to roll your quilts. So in the past, with the Little Foot frame, it has really filled a very useful purpose for many people that just needed something in a small space. But the challenge with it was putting a large quilt on the frame and having to snap it down with these long clamps and the shorter clamps, and then when you were ready to go to another section of the quilt, you actually had to move the quilt. Well, now what you can do is install the Little Buddy, and you're going to be able to put a relatively small, like a wall hanging or a small baby quilt, maybe a small twin size, on the frame and actually be able to roll it through just like we do on some of our larger frames. So come along with us today as Paul kind of steps you through. We'll take some pictures here and there, some video. You may even hear Samson in the background. Yeah, he's right there wanting to be held. So just come along with us as Paul takes it from looking like this to the additional Little Buddy system. We're really excited about it. Come along. Pick me up, Dad. So there you have it. You know, I've been working in the studio while Mr. MK was over here putting it together, and from what I could tell you guys, it's a very easy installation. So I've just loaded up some fabric, and I've noticed a couple of things that we already want to add onto this. First of all, it's so nice to have the leaders now included onto the bars, okay? So the leaders come with it. But you know me, you guys, I like to load with zippers. So I'm gonna make a custom set of zippers for this machine so that I can load much more quickly. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, I have loaded up a piece of fabric that's the entire, pretty much the entire width of the frame. But if you're working with something smaller, you do want to have some side grips on here. I've talked about my side grips that go with the leader grip system many times. So we're going to get it rigged up so that we have some side grips. And I think what we'll do with that is just some simple magnets. You can get those at the hardware store. You can get extra clamps, bungee cords from us so that you can just use the side grips on the side. Other than that, I am very impressed with how easy that was to load. And now if Mr. MK wants to come in, you're gonna see something that doesn't happen very often around here. That would be me free motion quilting. All right, come on in. And it feels so free because it doesn't have a pro stitcher on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the stitches up a little bit. And I'm gonna stay unregulated because I'm not that confident with manual mode. And let's just give it a go. Look, it's not Angela Walters or anything, but hey, I thought that was pretty darn good. So Mr. MK is going to be working up a promotion that we would like to offer through MK Quilts about a discount, something that you might want to consider if you're wanting to maybe upgrade to one of the bigger machines and you have, let's say, an Avante or a 16 of your own to sell. Maybe with the promotion and packaged together with a Little Foot frame and now this wonderful little buddy system, you can move your machine quicker so that you can get into maybe an Amara or a Forte or even an Infinity. All right, so thank you, Mr. MK, for this. I really love this. It's gonna fit the need for a lot of people, I really think. All right, and Samson's getting anxious. I think we better pick him up. Thanks for joining us today at MK Quilts, and from our studio to yours, happy quilting. Bye-bye.